Now let's head down to Lauren Moss on our performance stage to learn more about one of our favorite menu options here on campus. Lauren?
Thanks so much, Pete. We are joined now by Jake Eigenheer, manager sous chef over at South Dining Hall. Jake, thanks so much for being here. This is a big deal. This is not your average cafeteria or cafeteria food. People love the South Dining Hall's food. Tell me a little bit about some staples.
Yeah, sure. So we usually offer some curries, ramens. The students love to have any meats carved to order. And then every Tuesday and Thursday we have a very comprehensive salad. And then especially on Thursday we have our Southwest salad.
Now the Southwest salad is to die for, I've heard. We have a little bit of sample right here. You want to show us what goes into it?
Yeah, of course. So the important thing when you're making a salad is you don't want to have a lot of dressing, okay?
Right.
So right here I have a cilantro lime dressing. And then and a chipotle ranch dressing right here, okay? So what you want to do is you just want to put just a little bit, just to drizzle it in there.
Okay.
And then I have some pepper jack cheese, a little bit of peppers and onions and some corn and black bean. And then we got some tomatoes here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to toss it 6 or 7 times.
Okay.
Just to kind of keep it light, easy.
It already smells good.
And we don't want to make it flat because if you want a flat salad, it's not going to taste very great.
Right.
So, and then what I'll do is I'll just kind of toss it into here, just like that. And then I'm going to evenly distribute our crispy chicken here. Just like that.
So it's really quite simple, but it's the taste that keeps people coming
and
out,
really,
right?
kind of what makes it is the dressing. And my secret is to get both dressings, personally.
Yeah.
So
you can't just have one.
Exactly. And then just a little bit of tortilla strips, and then just kind of make it look pretty. Some extra stuff right on top, right?
Beautiful.
Add some color to it.
How many salads are you prepping a day? You go through a ton, is that
So
right?
between both dining halls, we're doing about 3,000 salads. And then the chicken you see here, about 800 pounds or so.
We were talking, I mean, we know people who specifically have graduated. Maybe they don't even have a connection to Notre Dame, but they are trying to get into South Dining Hall to eat this food. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, so you got people, what is it like when you hear students coming out to enjoy your food?
Oh, it feels great. You know, and this salad itself attracts a lot of attention throughout campus. You have faculty and staff from other buildings coming out and enjoying the salad, taking time out of their day, and it's just so, I guess, awesome to feel that everybody wants to come join us for a nice lunch.
And this is all fresh. You're going to feel good after eating something like this.
Too.
You're not going to be super full.
We have a nice finished salad.
Look at that.
Right here.
That is the secret right there.
So, yeah.
Now you have a lot going on. Major renovations are happening. Talk to me a little bit about what's going on.
Yeah, so the South Dining Hall is going to be celebrating its 100-year anniversary next year. It was first opened in 1927. It's going to be going under some comprehensive renovations. And we actually have some photos here.
Yeah, let's see.
This one is from circa 1930s, and then we have one from circa 1915. So this was South when it first opened, and then you can see that it hasn't changed much on the outside. And that's kind of what they're trying to aim for, is that we want to make sure that the historical feel is still kind of in the air when you go to South Dining Hall.
Yeah, so what can people expect right now? Is there construction happening, or you could still easily get in and out,
Yeah, you can easily still get in there, okay, no problem at all.
When is work expected to be done?
Next year it should be completely done.
Okay.
So we're going to kind of open the first phase this fall, and then we're going to be completely open in 2027, sorry.
Wow, okay, so this is a big deal.
Yeah.
Jake, listen, keep up the great work. We appreciate you being here today, showing us some of the secrets going on at South Dining Hall.